Hello everyone, my name is Anamika and this is my very first blog in English. I am not perfect in English but I want to learn and improve every day. So I start this YouTube channel. Okay guys, sometime I may make some mistakes but I will not give up. I believe step by step we can all improve. If you are also learning English, then let's grow together. Okay, let's start guys. So today we discuss in the first step of English and we start in today's weather. Okay, today is a beautiful day. Last night rained a lot. The sound of rain was so relaxing. I really enjoy it. But this morning, wow, the sun is shining brightly. The sky is clear and blue. Everything looks fresh and clean. The leaves are still wet. And I can hear bright birds singing. I love this. You look, cattle is coming home after gather. And guys, you watching in some cow is sitting and some buffalo is walking. When I record this video, they looking me very polite. Just like I am a celebrity and they are an audience. The sun is hiding behind the clouds and sometimes shine brightly in front of eyes. Come let me show you the river in my village. Look how strong the flow is. Look, it's a beautiful but also little scary. Look this flow. Let me check this flow when I throw a stone into the river. Okay. The water is moving so fast. There is a cow trying to cross the river but she isn't able to. Oh my god. I feel so bad. I wish I could help. But I can't. She looked helpless and I am feeling helpless too. So guys, what should I do? I am feeling bad for this cow. This moment is really touched in my heart. So guys, this vlog is ended mode and thank you so much for watching this YouTube videos and we met a next vlog. If you are liking this video, please like, share and support. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.